So far, it has been a good experience, and kudos to the team to do a good job here. Actually, we are participating it the second time. We are the associate sponsor for this event, and we did the sponsorship last time also. And we had a good traction. We had a good interaction with and networking with our clients and services that we engaged in last time. So based on that experience, we thought it would be a good idea to do it again. And so far, it has been positive. Yeah, in the first day today, we were focusing more on digital transformation. So that's something that is the new thing in the industry that everybody is focusing on. Artificial intelligence, AI, and digital transformation are the buzzwords. So that is something exciting that we are looking at to reintroduce in our services also, because we are into non-destructive testing, which is conventional and advanced. So we're trying to introduce this digital transformation. So it was exciting to see some insights during the panel discussions and the presentations that we saw today. So yeah, we're looking forward to that part. Learning, that's the key word. As long as you are whatever industry, and especially in this industry, you have to keep learning because there are new technologies coming, new tools are coming up, new softwares are coming up. So we cannot be complacent or be in our comfort zones. So the best idea is to keep learning and growing till you are till you're alive. I would say learning is the way to go forward, and that's the short key to success.